What if you could look at a handful of simple numbers and instantly know whether your wellness business is on track to grow, scale, and serve at a higher level? In this video, I'll reveal the key metrics every wellness entrepreneur must track to create consistent, purpose-driven profit. I'm Gary Daniel. If you're a wellness entrepreneur looking to grow a business that truly aligns with your purpose, then you're in the right place. Welcome to today's training. Today, we're talking about key performance indicators and analytics, what they are, why they matter, and how to use them to grow your wellness business with clarity and confidence. So what are key performance indicators and analytics? KPIs, or key performance indicators, are measurable values that show how well your business is performing. Analytics help you interpret those numbers so you can make smart decisions. This is so important. Together, they give you insight into what's working, what's not, and where to focus your energy. So why do they matter for wellness entrepreneurs? As a wellness entrepreneur, you're juggling a lot: clients, content, marketing, and so much more. KPIs help you focus on what's working, identify areas for improvement, make data-driven decisions, and grow your business intentionally. So without tracking, you're simply guessing. With tracking, you're actually growing. So here are some KPIs you might want to track. New leads per week, conversion rate from lead to client, monthly revenue and expenses, email open and click-through rates, social media engagement, and client retention rate. These are all so important. Choose KPIs that align with your goals, whether that's attracting more clients, increasing income, or improving engagement. So how do we track them? You can track KPIs using a simple spreadsheet or Go high-level CRM dashboards, email marketing platforms, or Google Analytics for your website. These are all very helpful and good options. The key is to review them regularly, weekly or monthly, and use the insights to guide your decisions. So now it's your turn. Choose 3 to 5 KPIs that matter most to your business. Start tracking them this week. Review them consistently and adjust your strategy accordingly. And if you want help using AI to simplify your tracking and growth strategies, grab our free AI-powered wellness business starter kit at purposetoprofit.org. The link is in the description below. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your purpose-driven wellness business. And remember, what gets measured gets improved. So let's grow with intention. And thank you so much for being here. Until next time, take care.